Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are common modifications for car lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing the wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back facing when you add some larger component or buy another set of automatic wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is a constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it has no more weight and straight than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the BONOSS Forged active cooling Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer very rapidly. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers for your Mercedes G-Class, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.